Hi, in this video I will show how to save settings from Notepad++. So if you have to remove and reinstall Notepad++ and want back your settings you're used to when reinstalling Notepad++ app, for that, to save settings from Notepad++, go to the folder C. Further users, then choose the user. Further app data. Further roaming. Notepad++. And further here. And here are the files you need. Somewhere save these files. Choose on computer. Any folder or create a new one. And copy these files to the folder. Then after that, when you reinstall this app and you want to restore the settings, just go into this folder. You go to this folder and here are these files. From the backup folder you copy here with replace. And you will have all the same settings which you're used to. That's all. If the video was useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like and leave any comment under this video.